Hey guys, this is Jam of jamonline.ph, and today we're gonna take a closer look on the latest product from Realme, and it's the Realme Buds Air. Yes, they do have a wireless earphones like this one, aside from their cool smartphones that I really recommend, including this one, the Realme 5 Pro and the Realme XT. So with the Realme Buds Air, actually para siyang AirPods, or competitor siya with most available ngayon na earbuds sa market like this one. I have here one of my favorites, which is the Joy Room. This is the JRT04S, really affordable and a really good sound quality. And of course, I have here the Huawei FreeBuds Lite. Yan, one of the affordable earbuds available sa market right now. And one of my favorites, actually yung ginagamit ko ngayon, is the Huawei FreeBuds 3 that comes with noise cancellation, although this one is more expensive. The Realme Buds Air doesn't have a price yet, unfortunately, but I'm pretty sure that this one would be affordable kasi sa India hindi naman siya lalagpas ng more than 4,000 pesos when you convert it directly sa India. Pero syempre iba yung presyo pagdating dito sa Pilipinas. So, what are the features that you can expect from the Realme Buds Air? Well, we won't get too technical dito sa Realme Buds Air, and we're gonna focus first dito muna specifications, then let's talk about unboxing and the other features. So, according dito, meron daw tong R1 chip, which helps in having a low latency dito sa Realme Buds Air, and it helps sa gaming mode. Actually, when it comes to Realme, one of the features talaga na inaabangan ng mga mobile gamers is the processor and everything. So, there's a gaming mode dito sa Realme Buds Air. I'm really excited to try that one out. And of course, meron tayong word detection dito na merong autoplay and auto-pause. So, meron din naman tayo dito touch controls. Mamaya, sasabihin ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga touch controls dito sa Realme Buds Air. Meron din tayong dual mic dito for best noise cancelling experience as possible dito sa Realme Buds Air. I haven't tried it yet, but Realme is promising that maganda yung kanyang microphone because of the noise cancelling and dual mic na feature dito. Meron din daw tong dynamic bass boost driver, which helps in having a better audio experience on the smartphone. Of course, mas maganda daw yung bass dito. So mamaya malalaman natin, since i-pair up ko siya dito sa Realme 5 Pro ko. And of course, meron din siyang Google Fast Pair, which means that bubuksan mo lang siya and automatically magko-connect na siya dito sa Realme Buds Air. I'm really excited to try that one out. And lastly, this is the most interesting feature of the Realme Buds Air, probably one of the biggest feature in this product, is the wireless charging. Yes, this one is capable of wireless charging. This one promises a 17 hours of playback, which means that probably a whole day of usage, or probably 2 days ng usage, of if siguro kaya pa 3 days ng normal commuting nyo, magagamit nyo itong Realme Buds Air without charging. So, what are we waiting for? I-unbox na natin si Realme Buds Air. So guys, you can see here the Realme Buds Air and also the Realme 5 Pro. So first time to unbox the Realme Buds Air, na alamin natin kung ano ba meron dito. Okay, so it's a basic box. Ayan, tanggalin to. Okay, so wow, okay, I do like the design of this one. I love the curved design of this one. Very similar to most TWS earphones available sa market. Okay, so we got here the Realme Buds Air. It's a very small, very compact compared to most earbuds that I've seen in the market. Actually, I have here the Joy Room, and makikita nyo yung difference sila is, malaki yung difference sa size sila. So yan, yung size sila is noticeable. Ito yung Joy Room, ito yung Realme Buds Air. Comparing dun sa FreeBuds Lite, ayan, magkaiba naman sila ng form factor though. Then, this one is the Huawei FreeBuds 3. Yan. So, malaki yung difference silang dalawa. So, ito yung Buds Air na Realme. Then, of course, buksan pa natin. So, sa loob, meron tayong micro USB-C to USB-A cable. Syempre, para i-charge natin siya in case wala kayong wireless charger. Then, of course, the manual. So, you've seen everything what's inside ng Realme Buds Air. So, ibabalik ko na to. And now, alamin natin kung ano ba mga features na ma-expect natin dito sa device na to. Well, first, alam naman natin na meron siyang fast charge, wireless charging. So, I'm gonna use this wireless charger and try natin i-charge si Realme Buds Air using this one, the Realme wireless charger. Unfortunately, yung charger na to is not included sa box. You need to buy your own charger. As long as wireless charger siya, as far as I know, magsusupport naman to. So, try na natin ilagay. There we go. You can see that it's working. There's a green LED that is fading or breathing dito sa Realme Buds Air. So, tingnan natin kung ano bang ma-expect natin sa audio quality nito. And try naman natin siya i-pair dito sa Realme 5 Pro. Look at that one. Ang linis nung look niya. Ang ganda tignan. Reminds me actually of the Apple AirPods. Then, of course, meron tayong button dito for pairing. So, try naman natin siya i-pair dito sa Realme 5 Pro. Let's turn on the Bluetooth. Let's hold this one and let's see kung paano ba natin siya i-pair. Actually, detect kagad niya the Realme Buds Air since hindi pa natin siya na-prepare with any devices before. Yan. So, automatically yan, pag sinara ko siya, automatically hindi na naman siya magagamit. So, automatically nag-off siya as you can see in the Bluetooth. But once you open it, it will automatically pair to your device, which is really cool by the way. And most naman na earbuds available in the market does have this feature. Ayan, by just looking at the Realme Buds Air case, ayan, very light lang siya. Again, it's very light and it has a minimalistic design. I like the rounded design of this one. I really like that it's very portable and it's very mobile. So as you can see inside, ganito lang naman siya. Then of course, we got here the earbuds. So we got here the optical sensor in here. You can see here the optical sensor. And of course, yung kanyang mga pins sa ilalim, which is the charging pin. So, kailangan na ito yung mga charging pin para ma-charge itong mga buds na to. And of course, ito yung mga grills niya. So, para, syempre, better audio quality. Unfortunately, there's no noise cancelling on this one unlike the Huawei FreeBuds 3. So, makikita niyo man yung fitting niya is actually okay. Hindi siya basta-basta malalaglag. Kahit ganyan-ganyan ako. Yan. Hindi magandang test yun. But nakikita nyo naman na hindi siya basta-basta nadudulas or nalalaglag dito sa tenga ko. Maganda yung fitting niya sa akin kahit na weird yung tenga ko. I do like the fitting of this one. I do like the design. Again, it reminds me of the Apple AirPods. And malinis siya tignan. And sobrang gaan niya. Although it's made up of plastic, yes, as expected. And the thing is, sobrang gaan niya. Minsan parang hindi mo na maramdaman. Minsan baka makalimutan mo na nakalagay siya dito sa tenga niyo. So, there are different touch controls that is available dito sa Realme Buds Air. So, according dito sa kanilang website, they have the double tap which answers a call or play or pause music playback. There's a triple tap which skips to the next song. So, kailangan tatlong tap. Medyo annoying siya kasi masanay ako na double tap lang. Then, they have the press and hold the one side which launches the voice assistant or the Google Assistant of the smartphone. And it can also decline or end a call. When you press and hold both sides, it enters the gaming mode of the Realme Buds Air. Yan. So, I tried the gaming mode and may sound siya na parang pinatakbo mo yung kotse. It means that when you're in gaming mode, better yung latency niya, mas maganda yung connection dito. And napakahalaga nun if you're playing games like PUBG Mobile, Call of Duty, and other fast-paced games na nilalaro niyo sa smartphone, even Mobile Legends. So, let's try the Google Assistant on the Realme Buds Air. As you can see, yung kanyang Google Assistant automatically nag-activate by just holding this one, although it takes some time bago mag-load yung Google Assistant dito sa Realme Buds Air. But it's really cool that I have the Realme Buds Air in here, the Google Assistant, the Realme Buds Air, so I can, order my smartphone na, oy, buksan mo tong ganito, buksan mo yung ganyan, especially if you have Google Home and everything, like, here, I have my Google Home dito, I have the Google speaker, I can use the Google Assistant to turn on my TV and also to turn on my speaker. I am actually listening to my YouTube videos right now. I've been using it for music kanina. So far, the Realme Buds Air does have a pretty good audio quality. I'm actually surprised that this one has this good audio quality. But again, sobrang gaan niya, hindi mo akalain, hindi nga siya nag-i-snap masyado eh. So yan, wala siya snap dito, pero may snap siya dito. Pero yeah, it turns on and turns off the Realme Buds Air. But the audio quality of this one is actually pretty okay. I actually like it. Tama yung bass niya, tama yung kanyang mga treble and everything. Balance naman siya. Although, for some people, you might want to adjust the equalizer dito sa Realme Buds Air. But overall, I actually like the audio quality that we're getting on this one. And of course, meron pa tayong mga touch controls sa madali siyang gamitin. And what I like about this one is it supports Google Assistant by just tap and holding one side of the earbud, and automatically, yan, we got here the Google Assistant. Pretty cool. I like that feature. Thumbs up dito kay Realme with regards to that feature. So yeah, the thing here is that the Realme Buds Air is comfortable. Makikita nyo yung design niya, reminds me of the Apple AirPods. It's very light, although it's very plastic. Yung build quality lang hindi ko gusto. But, you know, yung kanyang portability na, yeah, okay, lagay ko lang siya dyan, lagay ko siya dito. Very portable. Mas maliit pa siya compared to my other buds that I have here. Yan, so makikita nyo yung kanyang mga sizes na iba. But the Realme Buds Air is the most portable of them all. I do not have the Apple AirPods. I'm actually using some of this. Papalit-palit ako depending on the device that I'm using. But the Realme Buds Air is the most portable of them all. It's the lightest probably of them all. And it's very comfortable because of its design. It's not an in-ear bud. So, ganito lang yung design niya. May optical sensor. So, once lagay ko siya dito, boom, automatically, it turns on. I could actually use my device. Then, makikinig na ako ng music ko dito. Like, for example, sa Spotify if I wanted to. You might be curious, how about pairing it with other device? Actually, I have here my iPhone, and let's pair it with another OS. So, let's tap and hold this one, and let's see if mapipair natin si Realme Buds Air. Yan, so nakikita nyo, nag-vibrating colors siya yung green. Let's try to pair it with another device with a different operating system. So, I've connected it to my other phone. There we go, it's already connected. And they have the Google Fast Pair in this one. So, meron din siyang chipset sa loob na nakakatulong doon sa kanya syncing and everything. And what I like about this one is automatically, buksan ko lang siya. Again, pinakita ko na sa inyo to. Automatically nakuha na siya. And tanggalin ko lang to, suotin ko na siya. Pero hindi nyo alam, nakakonect na pala siya sa device nyo. Ganun siya kabilis mag-pair. That's what I like about it. Hindi siya nagtitake ng some time before mag-pair siya sa isang device or mag-load sa isang device. I'm actually listening to Spotify on this one. Although hindi ko ma-share sa inyo kung ano yung pinapatugtog ko because of the copyright to YouTube. But overall, the Realme Buds Air is a pretty cool device. Again, ulitin ko, it's very comfortable. I like the portability of this one. I like the audio quality of this one. Narinig ko yung details kayo ng cult of personality na pinapakinggan ko right now. And the thing is that hindi ko lang talaga gusto yung very plasticky design niya. Very plastic siya kasi sobrang gaan niya. So, hindi lang siguro ako sanay pero sobrang gaan niya pero hindi mo expect na ganito pala yung quality niya. Something na hindi mo ma-expect dito sa Realme Buds Air. So, I guess that's it dito sa unboxing and hands-on natin ng Realme Buds Air. It's a really cool device. I'm not sure yet with the battery but we're not sure yet about the price but I'm expecting it to be below 5,000 pesos. But I think okay naman yung features na makukuha natin dito. Okay yung quality ng audio, very portable and malinis siya tignan. So yeah, I guess that's it for our video. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So don't forget to click that subscribe button and hit that bell button para sa mga latest videos sa jamonline.ph. And of course, huwag niyo po kalimutan bisitahin yung mga links doon sa baba. So once again, I'm Jam of jamonline.ph. Thank you for watching. See you guys again sa susunod na video.